Hello YouTube, this is an article off the Gold Money website run by James Turk, and this is one of his Gold Money alerts as of the 25th of January 2010. Now, for anyone who may be thinking that now is a good time to get rid of silver and gold and go back into cash, this is an excellent article to show you how cash has fared against gold and silver over the past 10 years. At the top here he shows the rate of appreciation of gold against 23 of the world's currencies over the last 10 years, and a bit further down there's another listing which shows how silver has appreciated against 23 of the world's currencies also over the last 10 years. So any of you that's thinking maybe it's a good time to get back into cash, what the top one here is showing us is, and it lists the currency that's fared best at the top, and it gradually works its way down. Now, over the last 10 years, the best currency as far as how it's fared against gold is the Swiss franc. Now, it shows on an average in the top right hand corner there that the Swiss franc has lost on average 10.1% per year over the last 10 years when valued against gold. And as you gradually work your way down, I'll pick out some interesting ones. The euro, 10.8%. Japan, the Japanese yen, 14.1%. The USA, 14.9%. The dollar has lost against gold per year as an average over the last 10 years. Working our way a bit further down to Sri Lanka at the bottom, which has lost 20% per annum over the last 10 years. And then we're on to the second listing, which is how silver has fared against 23 world currencies. At the top, as an average, there's a draw between the New Zealand dollar and the Aussie dollar. They've both lost on average 9.5% over the last 10 years. And as you work your way down, again I'll pick out some ones that may be of interest. The UK, there look, 13.2% per annum. Then I'm looking for the States actually. The USA, 14.4%. The dollar has lost against silver per annum over the last 10 years. When you look at the 14.4% for silver for the USA and look at the gold there, the USA 14.9%. well, really, compared to silver or gold, there wasn't much difference as far as what you would have made by getting out of the dollar and getting into silver or gold. There's not really been that much of a difference. I think that difference will come in time when the ratio drops down from around 64 to 1 at the moment. It is for 64 ounces of silver for 1 ounce of gold. I'm sure when that ratio starts to drop, then you'll really start to see a larger appreciation for silver. So anyway, if you'd like to have a look at this, there's a bit of text involved, and at the bottom there there's also a crude oil price graph, and he goes into a little bit about that as well. So anyway, anybody that thought it would be a good idea to maybe get back into cash, there isn't any national currency that's gained against silver or gold over the last 10 years. And obviously we're in a precious metals bull market at the moment, so which is not finished. It's got quite a way to go. So if you'd like to buck the trend and go back to cash, then by all means have a go. But for me, you've got to stick with your investment and ride it out. Okay, take care and speak to you soon. Bye bye.